How to redeem Amazon Kindle gift card. Hello guys, welcome back to this YouTube channel. Today I will show you that how can you redeem your Amazon Kindle gift card. So let's get started. On this process, firstly you'll have to open any browser on your system. So right now I'm opening the Chrome browser. Alright, so after you open the browser, in this output you'll have to type for redeem Kindle gift card. So after you type that, you'll have to hit the enter. Okay, so now after the searching, you'll be able to see the official website of Amazon.com. So from here, you'll have to scroll down and go with the options like redeem an Amazon gift card. So simply click on it. Okay, so now from this interface, you'll have to scroll down and go with the link which says go to redeem all gift cards. So simply click on this link. So from here you'll have to enter the claim code of that gift card to redeem the Amazon Kindle gift card. So from here you can easily enter that code here, and from there you'll be able to redeem Amazon Kindle gift card. So this is the easiest and simplest method. If this video was helpful to you, please don't forget to subscribe our YouTube channel for more quick and short tutorial like this. Thank you for watching this video. Have a nice day.